Welcome to Ngobotonten Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Hey, tada. This is Ngobotonten Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Devon City 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm fine, my brother.
Good. Sharp man, how do you feel about the game namhlanje?
Namhlanje sijabulile. Namhlanje asula lobuthongo. Yazi ubulongo obuthongo banamhlanje nasemsebenzini kusasa. So ngena si happy.
Ngichaza ngoba wina kayi-1 jabula happy.
Emina Chiefs always this team is a big team. I-Chiefs mangaluza nomhlaba wonke izinto ziyawa. Nepetrol ingayehla kusasa. Yeah, now I see happy. And I like to thank the coach lama coach namhlanje i-line up bemnandi. Yeah, but in a substitution yabo bemnandi. Kusho ukuthi kune something yana e-management bayibonile ukuthi kunenkinga nyana ithi silungise. Yeah, mara iVelebhayi is a good player. Vilakazi is a good player. And Shabalala namhlanje is very play well.
Very well, yeah.
Yeah.
No, thank you so much.
Thanks,
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey,